If you're thinking about buying a golf access home in Cape Coral, watch this video. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home or just have questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786 or click the link below to schedule a no obligation informational Zoom call with me. When my family moved to Southwest Florida, we had no concept or idea of golf access properties versus no golf access properties, let alone just even boating alone. We grew up outside of Philadelphia and, well, there's not a ton of boating opportunities up there. When we came down here to Southwest Florida, the idea of boating and fishing became something that we began to research and try to figure out. When I jumped into real estate 6 years ago, I had to do a crash dive on what to look for and what not to look for in the golf access market here in Cape Coral. So today I'm actually in Cape Coral videoing 2 new construction homes because I am a new construction home specialist. And I want to give you a quick peek at those properties, but let's talk about first the Cape Coral golf access properties because they are all not equal. When you look at Cape Coral and the grid system, the golf access properties are mostly in southeast, southwest, and northwest. The southeast, you have river access. Southwest, you have canal access through where the lock was. And then here in the northwest, you have canal access to the Matlacha Pass, which gives you direct access to the Gulf, bypassing the river. So when you look at properties here in Cape Coral that you want golf access, you have to really know what type of access you want. What size boat are you going to, do you own actually, or are you going to buy? Are you wanting to backwater fish? Are you wanting to go into the Gulf and maybe go way out into the Gulf? All these things matter because when you look at the canals, you have to know your height of your boat because there's many bridges, and you have to understand the travel time to get out to the river or the Gulf itself. So when you look at new construction here in Cape Coral, or you're just thinking about buying a home in general in Cape Coral, or even anywhere in Southwest Florida that has golf access, it's important that you work with someone that understands the market. And that's where I come in. I have sold many homes here in Cape Coral that have golf access, and I understand the type of waterways. And one of the benefits is I'm not a cocky boater. In fact, I'm still learning how to boat. It's a struggle for me, quite honestly. The launching and docking still makes me nervous. Once I'm on the water, no problem. So I understand the stresses and the concerns of the golf access buyers because, well, I've had to think through myself whether I want that type of property or not. Now, as you know, I'm very happy in the Golden Gate Estates, so we're not moving anytime soon. But if I was, I would be answering these questions first and foremost before I even began to look at homes. So as promised, here's a sneak peek at these 2 beautiful new construction homes here in Cape Coral. Well, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour of these two beautiful new construction homes that are Gulf access here in Cape Coral. If you'd like to schedule a tour or you want to have a deeper conversation about what a Gulf access property means for you and your family, call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you want to see more about these homes that you've been watching, click the links below. And also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified, because I will be giving you a full tour of the homes in the coming days. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.